Hello everyone, welcome to this video. My name is PixelsRealm, and today I'll be showing you a nice little program that I got right here for y'all, and it's called Parsec. Now, Parsec is a great way to play local co-op games together with someone else, and I'm gonna explain everything you need to know real quick in this short video. So as some of you might know, I'm more of a indie type of streamer, and most of those games do have online co-op. But some games, for example, Overcooked, Wizards of Legends, stuff like that, only has local co-op. Now, this can be quite challenging if you want to stream with someone else, and of course they cannot come over because they are multiple kilometers or miles away, and it makes it kind of difficult for you to get into contact with them or to have them come over to your place. And that's where this program really can help. This is basically TeamViewer, but then with less delay and with some extra functionalities that I'll explain shortly. So let's first go over the different screens, and then it will kind of explain itself. So this is the first thing that you will see. It is the play screen. Computers reload. Hey PixelsRealm, welcome to Parsec Beta. Add a computer to play all your games. So I can click on add a computer, and then I can either add my own gaming computer, I can rent a cloud computer from Parsec, or I can play on a friend's computer. Adding your own gaming computer comes with a few things that you need to know in advance, and if I click on this, it will tell itself. So you need to have the app downloaded. It's just a free app. It's fine. And after that, you just connect the computer. Now it says here waiting for the computer to connect, but it won't connect. And the reason for this is as followed. If I go to host, this is basically where you would host where you would host the co-op. You see you need Windows 8.1 or higher to host. Now this isn't a problem for most people, because most people nowadays have Windows 10, so that's fine. But I have Windows 7, so that is something to keep in mind. But that doesn't mean that I cannot do what I want to do. In this case, I can click rent a cloud computer, and here for a small amount of money, I can rent a really stable, I've actually tested it out, a really stable service somewhere in the world to host my computer. Now, of course, keep in mind that if you are in America and you want to co-op stream with someone who's in Europe, there is going to be latency. That's just always going to happen. But the thing is, if it's someone nearby, someone who you shouldn't have latency issues with, there's not going to be latency issues at all. So let's go back to this, because you can also play on a friend's computer. And this is basically if you connect with someone else, add them as a friend, you come to the Friends tab. So you can enter someone's username here, enter some numbers. After the name, this is a friend of mine who I tested this program out with. And if they host, and you click on it, then it speaks for itself. You connect to their computer. And once you connect, there are a few things that you can do. Let me see if I can actually find that over here, maybe. So if someone connects to my games, I'm not sure if I can find it over here. Oh, here, yeah, I can show you over here. So if someone is going to connect to you, so you were friends with someone and you were hosting, and someone's like, hey, I want to connect to you, they don't instantly connect. They have to ask for permission. You can even say they cannot ask to co-play, so only by invite. Second of all, there's a special thing here that you can do is say what they can control. Keep in mind that this is in its essence a screen sharing software. So if I were to host and I host my main screen, then someone can do everything that I can on that main screen if everything in here is enabled, so mouse, keyboard and controllers. Now this is a privacy issue that some people might have, because what if someone logs into your computer, what if they steal some stuff, like data, or they lock you out of your computer. There, first of all, is two-step authentication for you to even log in. That's an option. You can make it so that people have to ask you to co-play. so it's also not an issue. And on top of that, you can tell people to not be able to use the mouse, keyboard, or controller specifically for certain people. In this case, Lemmy can only control with controllers, and the reason for that is, well, if you play together and you have one of those Xbox controllers, that's all you need. It works fluently. We tested it out. It takes a little bit of managing to do with screen regions, but it's very doable. And that's basically how the program works. You connect to someone's PC, you play games, and this way you can play local co-op games. So if you are a streamer like me who likes to do local co-op games, then this maybe can help. I would recommend to really look into it. They also have a Discord, so you can ask your questions there. If you have any questions for me, then I'll be more than willing to answer any of your questions, any of your concerns. Hit me up on Discord. It will be in the description or in video details, and yeah, should be fine. One thing that I will address is, because it is a free program, a lot of people will have concerns of, okay, but how do they make money then? Because it is a company after all, so they have to have a way to make money. There is going to be something along the lines of Discord Turbo, right? So you can have special perks, maybe better latency if it gets really crowded, priority access, stuff like that for like $5 a month. It's still in beta, so they're not going to do that yet. And as I said, they also have the rental service, which gets used quite a bit, and they are still working on the program. So if you have any recommendations at all, hop in their Discord and tell them, hey, maybe you can look at this, maybe you could look at this, and you can make it work. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you did enjoy. Have a lovely evening, and I'll see you guys in maybe a next video. Peace out, and bye bye.